In automotive assembly lines, speed and precision drive production, but hidden in this fast workflow are serious ergonomic risks that can impact workers' health and long-term productivity. Workers repeat the same motion hundreds of times per shift. Over time, these repetitive actions strain muscles, tendons, and joints, leading to injuries like tendinitis or carpal tunnel. When tasks force workers to bend, twist, or reach awkwardly, the body works harder than it should. These postures increase stress on the spine, shoulders, and neck. Handling heavy components or using tools that require forceful grip can overload the muscles. Overexertion is one of the leading causes of musculoskeletal injuries. A workstation that does not match the worker's height or reach forces the body into harmful positions. Small design flaws can create major ergonomic problems. High-speed production demands constant movement. Without proper breaks and rotation, fatigue builds up, increasing the chance of errors and injuries. Simple changes can make a big difference. Adjustable workstations, rotation between tasks, lighter tools and mechanical assists, proper lifting techniques, regular ergonomic training, encouraging early reporting of discomfort. When ergonomics are prioritized, workers stay healthier, productivity increases, and the entire assembly line becomes more efficient.